OpenAI's new agent builder is here and people are already calling it an n8n killer. But is it really? Let's dive in and find out. And hey, if you're into AI tools and automations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Okay, let's put the agent builder to the test. So to access agent builder, you would need to go to platform openai.com/agent builder. And of course, I would leave the link in the description. And once you access it, then you come to this type of a screen where you can just click create and it will take you to your new workflow. It always starts with the start node. Here's the start node, and we can add some state variables and stuff. But first of all, let's think what we can build. I think I want to build a YouTube agent that goes to YouTube and find me 3 trending video ideas. I want to add a state variable inside the start node. State variables are variables that you can add that would be accessible throughout prompting. I would show what it means in a bit. I want to say a niche name. So I would just put like make money online niche. I will click save. Then this part is done. And now we need to add an agent. So this is the agent that has all the instructions to it, and we can just drag and drop and add it, and we can connect it with the start. So when we click on agent, we get all the things that we can configure. So let's call it YouTube researcher. And we can give it some instructions. I already prepared some instructions, so I'll just copy paste them, and we can extend the prompt. I'm just giving it like, oh, you're a YouTube researcher agent, you know, you need to find really good quality videos. Then I will click save, and here I can select to include chat history or not. I would keep it. Then I can also select all the models that are available. So for this example, I would just select maybe 4.1 because it costs a bit to run these agents. And now I have access to give it tools. For my use case, I think web search is the one that I need. I'll just add. So now it has access to the web search. For the output part, we can, configure it to have text or JSON or widget. But for me, text is fine for this use case. Now that this part is done, we can actually go to preview. When we open a preview, it just opens a chat window and I can send a message. Notice we have the niche name as a state variable available here. It already has the context, and now I can just ask it to please find me 3 trending videos on YouTube that are trending in last week. I'm going to say this as well. Okay, so basically this is the problem with this agent builder right now. So it doesn't have access to YouTube. It cannot go to YouTube and search for it for some reason. It's not working as intended, so it is just giving me some random stuff. So not good. So this is not a great result that I expected. In my opinion, that's a fail. And currently agent builder has limitation when it comes to web search. It cannot go to any website and search for things. I have been trying it for the whole day and it's giving me like similar type of results. So yeah, I think it's a fail in my opinion. What we could potentially do is to add an MCP server in our workflow. Imagine an MCP server that's talking directly to YouTube API. It has all the trending data for YouTube videos. And it can also perform this search action. Then once it's connected to our agent, then our agent is able to give us the 3 performing videos. The problem with this approach is that first you need to code it and then you need to host it. Coding is not a complicated part. You can get it from ChatGPT, but hosting it is a bit of a cumbersome part and it would also require some money. So I'm not going to do it in this video. And here's my opinion when it comes to agent Agent Builder versus n8n. Let's compare these two tools on the basis of these points. First comes the ease of use. I would say right off the bat, Agent Builder is just easier. Anyone with the OpenAI access can log in, drag a few nodes, and boom, you have got a working agent. No API keys, no weird setup steps. n8n on the other hand is more powerful with a steeper learning curve and is designed for developers in mind. That's why it's a bit overwhelming at first. So yeah, Agent Builder I would give 8 out of 10, and n8n for ease of use I would give 6 out of 10. Then comes triggers. When it comes to triggers, n8n absolutely dominates here. Agent Builder only runs when you chat with it. No background automations, no run every hour, none of that. But in n8n you can trigger from Gmail, Slack, webhooks, schedulers, pretty much anything online. If you want systems that run while you sleep, n8n is 9 out of 10. Agent Builder on the other hand, it's sitting around 5 out of 10. Then comes agent tools. I would say that Agent Builder gives you the basics, web search, file search, maybe MCP connection or two, but n8n on the other hand, you got over 500 integrations. You can make HTTP requests to anything and even call other workflows. So it's like Lego blocks for automation. So yeah, Agent Builder I would give 5, but on the other hand n8n gets 9 here. Okay, then comes model support. This one's pretty simple. Agent Builder only works with OpenAI model, which to be fair are great, but n8n lets you pick from any provider. Anthropic, Cloud, Google, OpenRouter, even local models if you want total control. So that's flexibility, easily puts n8n at 10 out of 10, and Agent Builder gets only 4 here. Sad for Agent Builders. And then comes UI and chat components. Now when it comes to front end and UI, Agent Builder wins easily. Their chat kit looks super clean, and embedding an agent on your site is plug and play. n8n focuses more on backend logic, so you will have to build your own UI if you want it to look nice. Agent Builder gets 9 here, and n8n gets only 5. Okay, then comes deployment and control. So for this part, I would say Agent Builder runs fully in OpenAI's cloud, so no hosting headaches are required, but also no control over your data. On the other hand, n8n you can run anywhere, your laptop, a server, your own cloud, and that gives you full control. So Agent Builders get 7 here, and n8n gets 10. And for the totals, Agent Builders get 30 out of 60, and n8n gets 49 out of 60. So we have a clear winner here. And I don't think Agent Builder is an n8n killer. I feel that they built this tool with a different audience in mind. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on this topic. And if you like this breakdown, please like and subscribe.